Alright, what's up guys? Here's Cryptos, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to enter for a sell position on your Pionex app. So right now you'll be going to your Pionex app right here, you click on it. This is your home page of your Pionex app once you've downloaded it from the Play Store and you've created your account. But if you don't have an account with Pionex, there will be a link in the description below where you can also create your account and have a bonus for creating that. So right now on your Pionex app, you'll be going to your futures right here. This is how it will look like so when you click on your futures. So we'll be going to our Telegram where the signal has been dropped. Alright, here is our Telegram where the signal has been dropped. Here is your direction. Short, that means sell crypto pair XMR USDT. So let's go back to our. Alright, this is XMR USDT is already on board, but if you don't know how to search for a crypto pair, if you want to search for it, you just click here. You click on this search bar right here. You search for XMR. This is it. You click on it and here it pops up. So for this isolated, you click on it. If it's on margin, you put it on isolated. Isolated is the recommended margin for new beginners traders. On your leverage, always remember to set your leverage. On the Telegram channel, it says use 1x leverage to 3x. So right now we'll be using 2x leverage for this trade. So you confirm. Entry price zone. Right here you select the quantity you want. Remember, use only 2% of your capital. Don't use the amount of money you cannot afford to lose. Always use what you are comfortable risking. So your take profit, always remember to set your take profit because that's your defensive zone. Your take profits. Your stop loss. So right here, this is how you enter for a sell position. After everything, then you click on this sell icon right here. You click on it. You confirm. Alright, once you confirm, your order will be waiting. Once your order price reach the order price you stated below right here, it will trigger. So right now your order is waiting. Once that order reaches this amount, this order price you placed here, it will trigger. So this is how you enter for a sell. Alright, thank you for watching this video up to this time. This is Cryptos. We also share trade signal in our free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description below. And if you have not created an account with Pionex, link will also be in the description below where you can also create your account and get a discount for doing that. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button so you'll be notified whenever we post a video. Thank you for watching.